Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 3. Look dear students, our topic is Chapter 2, Short Question, True False and Matching. Today we will learn, and this is our lecture number 6, SW number 6. As our SW, you have to submit only short question number 1. Its answer you will submit. Okay, only short question number 1 you will submit as your SW. Now dear students, I am going to the lesson. Now I am going to say about our lesson. Okay, I am going to discuss about our today's topic. Please follow the board. True false. Okay, from chapter 2, true false. At first we are going to read. Look here dear students, here you will write. You will write here not 5, you will write here number 1, here you will give number 1, then here you will give number 2, then here you will give number 3, then here you will give number 4. Okay, so I am going to say, look, number 1, we have 4 main religions in our country. Okay, we have 4 main religions in our country, and the answer is what? True. Okay, this statement is what? True. Then number 2, the special children don't need special care. The special children don't need special care. This statement is false. So here you will write false. Then look number 3, Easter Sunday is Buddhist festival. Easter Sunday is Buddhist festival. Yes, dear students, this statement is false too. So here you will write false. Okay. Then look, number 4, ethnic groups have their own festivals. Ethnic groups have their own festivals. Dear students, we know that this statement is true. So here you will write true. Okay, ethnic groups have their own festivals. Now dear students, I am going to discuss about short question from chapter 2. Look here, number 1, name some different ethnic groups in Bangladesh. Name some different ethnic groups in Bangladesh. Answer, different ethnic groups live in Bangladesh. They have their own festivals. Some ethnic groups in Bangladesh are Chakma, Marma, Manipuri, Sautal, Khasiya, Hajong, Rakhine, Murong, etc. Okay. Then dear students, please follow next question's answer. Number 2, name 2 Muslim festivals. Name, I am repeating, name 2 Muslim festivals. Answer, here you will write, people of every religion have their own festivals. Muslims also have different festivals. 2 Muslim festivals are Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Okay, I am repeating this answer. People of every religion have their own festivals. Muslims also have different festivals. 2 Muslim festivals are what? Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Then look, next question number 3. Name 2 Hindu festivals. Name 2 Hindu festivals. Answer, Hindus have religious festivals all year round. Hindus have religious festivals all year round. But the 2 main festivals are Durga Puja and what? Saraswati Puja. During Puja, everyone greets each other and shares sweets and fruits. So here what you have found here? During Puja, everyone greets each other and shares what? Shares sweets and fruits. Then look, last question, number 4. Name the main Buddhist festival. Answer, the main Buddhist festival is Buddha Purnima. It marks the birthday of Gautam Buddha. It marks the birthday of Gautam Buddha. So the main Buddhist festival is what? Buddha Purnima. So dear students, here I have given 4 short questions. Okay, then please follow matching. Look, here you will get 2 matching. Okay, dear students, at first I am going to read about matching 1. Dear students, you have to write this matching like this way. Okay, you have to follow this format. Okay, like this way you will write. Okay, look dear students, here number A, we enjoy many. Look, which sentence is the correct sentence that we can make a line with along with the letter A? Look here, we enjoy many. Number 1, is it to meet their needs? Number 2, part of the social environment. Number 3, our environment. Or number 4, functions and festivals. Which sentence is the correct sentence here that we can add with the first sentence? Yes, dear students, we know that. Look, here the sentence is what? We enjoy many. Then look, number 4, functions and festivals. Yes, we can add this number 4 along with number A. Okay, and you have to write this matching like this way, like A plus 4. Then equal to, you will write here, we enjoy many functions and festivals. Then you will write the full sentence, okay, which you have got by matching these two numbers. Okay, then you will write the full sentence. Then look, number B, everything around us is called. Then which sentence I can add with number B? Yes, number 3, everything around us is called our environment. So you like this sentence like this way, B plus 3 equal to everything around us is called our environment. Then look, number C, people build many things. Which one is the correct answer here from these sentences? Yes, number 1, people build many things to meet their needs. So here you will write the sentence, people build many things to meet their needs. Then look, last one, number D, houses, roads, transport are. Which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct sentence here that we can add with number D? Yes, here number 2, here you will get the sentence, part of the social environment. Yes, we know that houses, roads, transport are part of the social environment. So like this way you will write this sentence too, houses, roads, transport are part of the social environment. So now dear students, so here you have to write this matching like this way. Now I am going to discuss about number 2. Look here, number A, in our society men, women. Then look, which option I can add with number A? Look, first one is what? Ethnic groups live in society. Number 2, enjoy themselves with friends. Number 3, we must respect everyone. Number 4, rich and poor live together. Which sentence from these sentences, which sentence I can add with number A? Yes, dear students, this number 4. In our society, men, women, rich and poor live together. So you have to write it like this way, A plus 4. Then you will write, in our society, men, women, rich and poor live together. Okay, then number B, look here, besides Bengalis, other. Which sentence I can add? From these sentences, which sentence I can add with number B? Yes, dear students, number 1, ethnic groups live in society. Look, besides Bengalis, other ethnic groups live in society. So like this way you will write here the full sentence. You have to follow this format. Besides Bengalis, other ethnic groups live in society. Okay, then number C, in order to live together. Which sentence I can add with number C? Look, in order to live together, here you will add number 3. In order to live together, we must respect everyone. So like this way you have to write the full sentence. In order to live together, we must respect everyone. Okay. Then number D, in festivals, children. Which sentence I can add with number D? Number 2, enjoy themselves with friends. In festivals, children enjoy themselves with friends. So here you will write this sentence like this way. In festivals, children enjoy themselves with friends. So here, dear students, you have to write this matching like this way. You have to follow this format. Okay, but as your SW, you will submit short question number 1 only. Okay. Dear students, see you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz everyone.